Hello everybody, it's Tom and Jerry Fan 64 here. It's now time to do a movie review to the 2019 remake of Pet Sematary. And this one I actually kind of enjoyed. The kills are pretty good. And I'm also going to be doing a channel update because I realized uh, earlier today that I forgot another Scarlett Johansson movie when I showed my Scarlett Johansson, Margot Robbie, and Jennifer Lawrence movie collection 6 days ago. And the movie I missed, I forgot to show, was the SpongeBob SquarePants movie. So yeah, that's that. Now let's talk about the 2019 remake of Pet Sematary. This is kind of an unnecessary remake, but this remake was good, but I don't think this movie is the absolute greatest movie in the world, but I actually enjoyed this movie. It's not a perfect movie, but I did enjoy this movie quite a bit. I don't think this movie is as good as the original or the 1994 sequel or the sequel. I don't think this is as good as the original film and its sequel, but this one was still a really good reboot. It is a bit unnecessary of a remake to Pet Sematary, but I enjoyed this movie quite a bit. It's not a perfect movie. It's not a flawless movie. I thought this movie was, and personally, I thought this movie was really good. And I do hope to get this movie on DVD or Blu-ray. I do know that I did review the first two Pet Sematary movies a couple years ago. I think it was back in 2020 or 2021. I don't know. It's one of those years. I think it was 2021, I believe. And this movie is not the best remake in the world. It's, as far as remakes go, this is not one of the worst, but it's definitely one of the weaker ones. But I did enjoy this remake a little bit more than the Omen remake. This one is not a perfect movie, but I did like the kills in this movie, and it's really interesting that they switched the character. They switched something from the original, where the original character that was killed off was Gage. But in this movie, they flipped the script and chose the daughter of Louis Creed. Sorry about the spoiler. So yeah, this was a really underrated. This is an underrated reboot, and I will try to review The Mummy from 2017 later today if I get the chance. But I'm probably not going to review that for a while. So yeah, I'm going to give the Pet Sematary remake from 2019 a 7 out of 10 stars, and I'm going to give it a C-. It's actually a pretty good remake. I think this is a really fun remake. So yeah, that is it for my review of the Pet Sematary. And I do know there's going to be a prequel that's going to feature a young Judd Crandall that's coming out on Paramount Plus. I hope that movie comes out on Blu-ray. But I'm really excited for the prequel to Pet Sematary. I'm hoping I can try to get a Paramount Plus account sometime. We'll see. So yeah, I'm really interested to see the prequel to the Pet Sematary. That's going to be a prequel that's going to be about a young Judd Crandall. That's going to be interesting. So that is it for my review to the 2019 remake of Pet Sematary, in which I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're generous enough, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribe, plus it really helps out. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye everybody, adios.